Hey Patty fan, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence NYC reacts to Am I Really Fanum Sister? Let's get into it. Clarence NYC live.
She made a video, bro.
Hey y'all.
Get your change, sis. I see you.
It's your girl Latrice, and I'm back with another.
Yo, if they say Fanum, this is Fanum.
So let's do a little recap of everything that's been going on the past 2 days. So I recently made a video and it's went viral. I made 2 videos that went viral. Over 1 million.
This is
Congratulations, sis. All right, go ahead, girl.
Fanum.
And everyone's saying that I look like Fanum. This man right here.
I think she do, actually. I think they both cute in their little way, and they do look alike, and they could be related. Who knows? They be cousins if they ain't sister and brother.
And I see it.
What the fuck is he? What the fuck?
And everyone's saying that I look like Fanum.
She's saying you look like Fanum, yeah. She forgot to edit.
Right here. And I...
That's okay, she knew. Don't be doing her like this, Claire. Claire ain't right. He ain't right. She learned how to do this. I mean, she went viral the other day now. I like to go viral, by the way. That's on my wish list for Christmas, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Get me there. But yeah, you know, it's hard editing on different platforms, okay? Sheesh.
See it, he sees it, everyone sees it, so everybody's been calling me Fanum's twin and stuff like that. And I've gotten over 20,000 followers, well, over 10,000 followers.
Fanum's a big deal.
And over 200.
You about to be a big deal too, Fanum.
On Instagram. The Shade Room teens have texted me on, DM me on Instagram to get my consent to post a video. Letting me know that they were gonna credit me and stuff like that. Kai reacted to my videos on his Twitch. What's his name? Fanum reacted to my videos. And then he commented on my post. Everybody's flooding my DMs. Flooding.
10,000 followers because you look like a nigga. Facts.
Saying that I'm Fanum's twin. I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know who I am and let me introduce myself, because obviously my life has changed a little bit. Because, you know, my dream has been elevated. Like I'm right here. I'm right here. And the dream right here. So we almost there.
Almost there, girl. Go ahead, get
it. What's your dream?
My name is Shantina. My real name is Shantina. Everyone calls me Tina, but my Instagram name and TikTok name is Latrice. That's my middle name.
Bro, they look just alike, bro.
I am 18 years old. I turned 19 January 31st.
Who's your dad?
I am an Aquarius. I love makeup, beauty, anything. I love horror movie, action movie, anything with guns blazing.
GTA.
Count me in. Okay, like, originally my page was for beauty, but I didn't even, like, mean to, like...
Nah, they gotta meet in real life.
If you feel what I'm saying, like, my page... Like, I was already low-key blowing up. I was getting followers every day, but not as fast. Yeah, I post hair videos, makeup videos. I'm starting a YouTube channel, as y'all can see by this video. And...
Get your money. Get your money, Fanum. I think these niggas trying to get on the game. Pete and Adam.
Teens have texted me. I've gotten one of his friends texted me and asked me if I wanted to do an E-date, but people on my live told me that normally
Like E-Day will be.
Normally they have like OnlyFans girls doing those, and I don't want nobody thinking I'm an OnlyFans girl. But yeah.
That'd be funny though.
I'm starting a business called Latrice Cosmetics.
Alright. Get your money, sis. Let everybody know. I like her. I think she'll do well. It'd be nice if y'all had her at the house, you know, with the AMP house. You know, he could teach her how to do this whole thing.
If you're a girl, if you're a boy watching this, well, I know mostly boys.
But it's mad niggas really coming up of looking like a celebrity. It's crazy.
In the thumbnail. If you got a mama, sister, granny, tell her about my business. Go follow my business page. I'm gonna hit them all.
I thought she was gonna talk more about the situation.